Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to install Waka TV on your smart TV. So Waka TV is not available on the typical Play Store, so you will need to sideload it. So first, on the home screen of your smart TV, use the search button or go to the Play Store on your smart TV. So next is to type downloader. And then on the list of apps, download Downloader by AFTV News. So wait for it to install. Now, open the app Downloader. Once you're in the app, go to the Home tab and then you will see a placeholder for the URL. So here, you have two options. You can type wakatv.net or 664118 to install the Waka TV app. And after that, there will be some prompts to continue the installation. Just click continue until you get the app. So basically that's it.